Hello children, how are you all? Hope so you all are fine. Okay, stay safe. So today let's start our first chapter from second term syllabus, and it's safety first. So what is safety? Safety means the state of being safe, not being dangerous or in any danger. Okay, so now being safety means that being protected from any harm or danger. Children, let's look at the picture. Take the things you can play with. 4 pictures are given here, and these two, this one and this one, you can play with these things. These are toys. But this scissor and this matchstick, these two things are not playing objects. These things are not safe for you. Okay, so now for being safe or for being protected, you must follow some simple rules to keep yourself safe. First one, safety at home. So when you are at home, you also follow some rules. Point number 1, not play with sharp objects like blades, knives, scissors, etc. As these things may harm you or these things may hurt you. Okay, these things are not safe for you. These things are very unsafe. Another one is not go near gas stove. Another one is not play with matchstick or candle. The same thing is that matchsticks or candles are not playing objects. You can play with toys you have many toys or many things for playing. Another one is inform our elders if you are hurt. Okay, now the very important thing is safety on road. As there are many cars, buses, rickshaws, trucks, bikes, so many vehicles on the road. So we have to be very careful when we are on the road. Okay. So, do you know what the traffic light tells us? Now, what is traffic lights? The traffic lights are used on the road to control the movement of traffic. They are placed on road at intersection or crossing. The different colors of traffic lights tell us what to do. Look, this red light tells us to stop. Yellow light tells us to wait, and green light tells us to go. Now, as you are kids, you have to be more careful when you are on the road. Okay, so you should walk on the footpath. Always remember that you must walk on the footpath. Don't run on the road. Okay. Another one is obey the traffic rules. Another one is cross the road at zebra crossing. Now, what is zebra crossing? In the roads, you can see, maybe in our town, it is not there. You can see in big towns, zebra crossing is provided to the road for crossing. Okay, then what is zebra crossing? A black and white path on the road along which it is safe to cross the road. You can look at the picture like this, black and white stripe. Okay, these are provided on the roads for crossing as it is safe. Another one is not play or fight on the road, as road is not place for playing. You can play in the playground or you can play at home. Hold an elder's hand while crossing on the road. As you were kids, it is very unsafe for you to walk alone on the road. So when you were going to school or when you were coming from school or when you going anywhere, coming from anywhere, you always hold your elder's hand when you were crossing the road. Now the another important thing is safety in school. as you are left alone in the school, so you have to be keep yourself safe in school. Teachers are there, friends are there, aunties are also there, but you should also follow some rules to keep yourself safe. Point number 1, not run in the corridor or on the stairs. As you know, many accidents are happen in school because you always wildly running in the corridor or in the stairs. You have always noticed that in assembly, sir is always announcing, please don't run in the corridor, please don't run on the stairs. So you should make it a point to follow your teachers or to obey your teachers. Okay, otherwise you may fall down or you may hurt also. Another one is not push our classmates. As classmates are your friends, so if you push them or if they may fall down or if they may got hurt, it will not be good for you, na? So never push your classmates or never fight with your classmates. Another one is stand in a line while getting into the school bus. Meanwhile, we don't have any school bus, but you also be very careful when you are getting into the school and getting out from the school also. Another one is not carry sharp objects in the school. As you all know, the sharp objects are not safe for you, so never try to carry any sharp objects or any extra objects to school, as it may hurt you or it may hurt your friends also. So hope so you all understand the chapter and you should try to follow these rules for being safe. Okay, that's all for today. Stay safe. Thank you.